Hey Micaiah, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this, so I really hope you're watching. And thank you to and your company for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. The reason we contacted your company was due to the fact that we noticed in Midland, Texas, there is a high search volume for the services that you offer. In this case, landscaping. There are ways you can, strategies you can implement to your website that would help bring in more traffic. So this is a great opportunity. In this video, I'll audit your site. I'll compare your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more traffic. Also, it'll give you a better understanding as to why your competitors are being found and not your company. In this video, I'm going to mainly be going over 3 things you can do today to help bring in more work or traffic, I should say. The 3 categories are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. This is a great website. The navigation is simple. You have good images here. You have a beautiful layout, of course. I noticed this phone number and the email are not clickable on the header, also are offset a little bit. Instead of being, on the top right, it's kind of like in center right a little bit. So this looks a little strange. This also, you might want to keep this in the center. I see you have a contact form, which is great. Overall, it's a good website. You can, however, improve on the content. You don't have enough content on your home page. Let's go back to your home page here. Looks like you have 2 paragraphs here. However, typically you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your home page alone. Not only will this improve the relevance and the services that you offer, but also improves the level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. The more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,500 words of content, you want 2,000 words of content. If your competitor has 2,000 words of content, you want 2,500 words of content. You get the idea. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert. Just keep that in mind. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords, Makia, are keywords or phrases that end users enter into search engines to discover available services. And again, in this case, landscaping services. Just remember, the more content, the better. And this way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. And the keywords, I would recommend to have them on the actual H1 tag, which would be this section here, and also inside your content. All right, just keep that in mind. Just follow protocol and you should be fine. Now for backlinks and citations, for this, let's jump into Ahrefs. Looks like this is a great tool to have if you want to monitor what you have going behind the scenes. Punching in your website, this is your website here. You currently have nothing going for you. However, the DR and the UR meter, you're currently at a 0 for the DR and 3.7 for the UR. Backlinks, you have 0. Referring domain, 0. Keywords, 0. And unfortunately, you're not getting any traffic on a monthly basis organically. The UR and the DR rating is the power of the URL. And domain, a way to increase the 2 ratings here are through backlinks and citations. A backlink is a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website. And I'm sure you've seen them where you're at a website and this is clickable here. If I click onto this section, it'll take me directly to your website. So that's pretty much what a backlink is. Okay, it's basically a website linking to your website. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, or phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And of course, a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with one of those. Ideally, you would like to keep both the UR and the DR meter at a 1:1 ratio. It's just good practice. It will give you an extra boost when comparing to one of your competitors or another website. So just keep that in mind. So because you don't have anything going at this time, Oh, I see. At one point you had maybe 2 backlinks at a highest point back in 2016. However, this is where you're at. When we compare it to one of your competitors, Midland Landscaping Experts, looks like these guys are getting all the attention. As you can see, they do have a lot of content here. So, they do have content. They do have optimized images. Another thing to watch out for when making the changes onto your website. So yeah, they do have content. They do have a good image layout, optimized images. When we look at their, behind the scenes, looks like they currently have 53 keywords. In a monthly basis, they're getting around 147 people jumping onto their website organically. Referring domains 80, backlinks 166. The DR17 and the UR15. So unique domains, they currently have 80 overall, 166 backlinks, which is giving them this type of power. They are decreasing and they are going down in the AR rankings. That's not a good sign. But you'll notice here, they go up, they go down, they go up, they go down. So this is a strange move. I'm not sure what they're doing. I would have to, inspect a little, inspect deeper onto what they're doing or their history. However, this is where they're at, and they are getting traffic onto their website. The keywords list, this is very important. This is what they currently have onto their website here. So one keyword is landscaping, Midland, Texas. For just this keyword here, there are 300 people jumping onto Google searching for this service with this keyword. 300 people. For this keyword here, sprinkler repair, Midland, Texas. I'm not sure if this is a service that you offer, but if you do, it's good to have onto your website. 50 in a monthly basis are searching for this keyword here. And lawn care, Midland, Texas, 150. So you get the idea. Let's say you do offer these two services, overall 350 when combining, search volumes. Imagine these 300 people are finding you instead. That's the whole point of search engine optimization, or SEO, I should say, is to optimize your website to give your website more power, bring in more traffic, which of course that would lead to more revenue, right? Who doesn't want that? All right, Makia, this is what I have for you for now. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. If you're already taking, the amount of work that you could handle, let me know that. That way I won't have to, I won't be sending you follow-up emails periodically, annoying follow-up emails. Anyway, feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time, Akia. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.